Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. So yeah guys, in this video I want to show you how to catch your entries in an upward trend or a downward trend. Remember I gave you this analysis on the previous video that I recorded, then we saw a buy here. So I just want to show you how you can always catch all these entries in a trend. So on the previous video I showed you, okay, we're in an upward trend, our TP is somewhere here. So this is a screenshot that I recorded. Let's see where the market is right now because I'm expecting something like this now. So going back to the chart, this is how the chart looks like. We're seeing the market is already dropping based on the screenshot here. When I recorded it, the market was somewhere here, so it dropped. So we're expecting it to come and drop and touch this trend line and go back to the upside. So basically what's happening here, how do you catch a trend? So our trend, remember we analyzed our trend, guys. So we said, okay, we are having a rising wedge, and then the rising wedge went up, and then our TP was somewhere here in this box. So we're still ranging toward that TP. So, but as a trader, you don't want to wait for that TP so that you can open your cells there. So you always, okay, if I'm in an upward trend, where am I going to catch these positions that I'm going to buy or sell? So you can buy and sell in a trend, but this one is an upward trend. We're looking for buys everywhere. So let me show you what's been happening before the trend started. So the trend started somewhere here. We saw a consolidation and then breakout to the top side. Once always the trend, it moves like this. It consolidates, consolidate, breaks out, come back, consolidate, consolidate, breaks out, consolidate, consolidate, and then breaks out, give you a consolidation again, and then it breaks out. So right here, right now, it's doing the same thing that it's been doing up before here on the previous zones. So you can see here we saw a breakout from this level. Now it's consolidating above the line that we put on our D1. Look at this line, guys. Remember this line on our previous analysis when we were analyzing that, okay, we're going to capture each and every moment that gave US30 what do we call it? Big movement. So we know, okay, when USDT hit this level, we get a big movement. When it get to this level, we got a big movement. This level, big movement. Same thing. So right now, we saw USDT breaking out from that zone because a lot of people will think, okay, USDT is going to reverse here. I also thought it's going to reverse here, but right now we saw a breakout. And remember, we are on our trend. Our overall trend is up there. So right now, we are consolidating, looking for sales. How do you catch the sales? I mean, how do you catch the buys? So you wait for it to come and touch your trend. So this is a falling wedge. You see, in a falling wedge, what you need to look for is the breakout. Is either you can you can enter your trade here. It's either you can enter your trade somewhere here. Let me just put a triangle. It doesn't want. So okay, you can enter your trades here, right? It's either you enter your trades here. Let me just delete this. You can either enter your trades here or you can wait for it to come back and break out from this upside falling wedge. So once we break out the falling wedge, we know, okay, the next target is there on our overall TP. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you. How do you catch entries in a trend? You first identify your trend on a bigger time frame, go down with it on a smaller time frame. You know the trend is a buy, so always look for buys inside that trend. So as you can see right now, we saw a huge movement, and then right now is busy, the market is busy consolidating with a falling wedge. Once the market touch this zone, you know it touches always, guys. Let me show you one last thing before I close out. It goes touch one, two, third time, breaks out. One, two, third time, breakout. Same thing. One, two, the third time it breaks out. Come back, retest. Look at this one. It touched one, two, the third time, breakout. This side touched one, two. Now we're waiting for the third time to break out because right now only even the one below that, it only touched two times, one, two. So the third time we're expecting it to bounce and then go and break out on the top side, and then yeah, that's how you can do it. So guys, Just know, make sure if you enjoy this kind of short videos, subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you on another one. Bye bye.